Hello guys, one more unboxing books video. Let's do it. Let me show you before unboxing. So these are the materials I got from IGNOU. Let's unbox it. So I was waiting for this from many days, so finally I received books today. The package is not well, actually the package is well, but due to the rain it got wet, so no worries. I think the first book got a bit wet. This MPA 014, and the condition is a bit okay. So let's go for the other books. It's not possible. Let's take one by one. So this is another book, MPA 013. This is the State, Society and Public Administration. And the last one is MPA 012, Administrative Theory. So these are the four books. This is 011 MPA, 012, 013, and 014. And in this way you will get the IGNOU ID card. So once again, back to the student. I hope I'm going to enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding anything regarding public administration, UPSC, state services, or any kind of degree.